Welcome to our cyber room. In our cyber room we have wonderful kit and technology for students wishing to develop their cybersecurity, computing, coding and general digital skills. We have 24 of these magnificent HP laptops which run all the software our computer science and computing students need, and also have on them the Adobe Creative Cloud software for students to use as well. We also, as is the case in all of our rooms in LaunchSpace, have the Chromebook Flip tablets which are securely stored in the corner of each room as well. And of course we have the screens at the end of each table, as well as our ViewSonic screen for the teacher. In this room we also have access to coding kits, robots, Raspberry Pis and other tools and toys to help engage our students in creative problem solving and production of solutions using different coding techniques and skills. We also have access to augmented reality tools such as the Merge Cube, which can be used to bring different elements to life using augmented reality, which is a digital layer on the real world, similar to Pokemon Go. In this space we also have access to our Acer tablets, useful for sketching, drawing, collaborating together, as many of our computer science students will be doing. But as with all our rooms, this is not exclusive to computer science students. This is for all students to use. The purpose of LaunchSpace is to make sure all of our students have access to digital skills they're going to need in the future. So these 5 rooms, designed by our wonderful colleague Holly Hunt, a senior learning technologist, were designed to give access to wonderful technology to enhance and grow every single student's digital capability, as well as the wider community as well, when we're allowed to work more closely with the wider community, of course. Over here, you might notice my colleague Umera, transcending time and space in virtual reality right now. Just going to walk by her, so you can see the sensors there and there, which are mapping out a cube, as it were, for her to actually operate and create in. She's currently in Microsoft Maquette, which is a wonderful CAD program to actually design and develop ideas in a VR space. The VR kit is available in all of our spaces, but we like to keep this one here because our computer science students who are using this space at the moment, some of our creative students quite like using Maquette and Tilt Brush and other VR tools to sketch and ideate and draw in a different manner than they're used to. Rather than the 2D palette, using a 3D space to step into and create. These VR kits, we have 3 of them. They can be transported around as well in these lovely backpacks to your classroom. But ideally, we want to bring you guys here to use these spaces to actually work in the cyber room here at LaunchSpace. You'll notice that this wall here can actually be peeled back to reveal an even longer room. So if you have a large class, we can actually move down the wall and join this room onto the creative room as well. Have a look at the creative room video if you're unsure what's there for you. But this is yours. It's available for all students across all subjects. If timetabling can book you in, then we will. And as I've said before, this isn't just us throwing technology at you, it is us working alongside you, helping you. So Umera and Jay, Holly, Sky and I are here to support you. We'll be in the classroom with you, holding your hand, using these wonderful tools if needed, but it might not be the case that you need that. You might just want some reassurance, in which case we're just down the corridor and you can ask our help at any point if something isn't working as it should do. But using these wonderful tools is something I'm really keen to have all of our students have access to. For some of your course, some of the time, the cyber room might be a good fit for what you're teaching in terms of your units and your scheme of work. So get in touch. If you want to use the cyber room, contact timetabling.